Most people think psychedelics upgrade your mind, but they actually start with your nervous system. Before the insights, before the visions, your body is the gatekeeper. And if your nervous system isn't safe, your mind can't integrate anything. This is why some people leave a trip more anxious or scattered than before, because the experience overloaded a body that wasn't ready. But here's the secret. Psychedelics don't just show you things, they open a window. In that window, your nervous system becomes plastic. New patterns can be wired in. Old trauma patterns can be released. You're not just healing, you're upgrading your baseline. But it only works if you give your body a new pattern to follow. That's where breath, movement, and micro-rituals come in. Because without embodiment, there is no integration. Without nervous system work, the insight fades. The good news? You don't need to be a therapist to train your nervous system. Every trip, every microdose, every moment you feel yourself flooding, that's an opportunity. Not to escape, but to repattern. This is how psychedelics stop being just trips and start becoming transformation. Like and subscribe for daily content on psychedelics, nervous system tuning, and living from clarity.